Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Choose to receive test emergency alerts in the United States. To turn it on, enter *5005 *25371 hash and tap. You'll get an alert that says, Test Alerts Enabled. To turn it off, enter *5005 *25370 hash and tap. You'll get an alert that says, Test Alerts Disabled.
Take our lead.
Register online at awareandprepare.com to receive emergency notifications and alerts via landlines, phones, text messages or email. Text your zip code to 888,777 to receive real-time alerts and advisories from your local police department and other local agencies.
Take our lead.
WEA is a public safety system that allows customers who own compatible mobile devices to receive geographically targeted, text-like messages alerting them of imminent threats to safety in their area.
Make your mark, take our lead.
FEMA. The best disaster alert app. FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, is an agency in the U.S. that's part of the Department of Homeland Security. The mobile app from FEMA lets you get real-time alerts concerning all sorts of disasters. The FEMA Disaster Alert app is available for Android and iOS devices.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.